Now we come to one of the sacred four that would be placed in the north on the medicine wheel. The north is considered winter, and there you would place food. When food starts to disappear off of the landscape, and you have to either know where to find it, how to hunt it, or if you're smart, you put some back like the squirrels to last through the winter. Food can be obtained either from plant or animal sources generally, so in order to get it you have to master traps, which are very interesting to learn, because in order to learn traps you have to learn not only how to make the trap, how to set it, but the animal that you're going after, what it likes to eat, and you have to know tracking. You have to know the habits of the animal. There's so much to going into mastering traps. Throwing stick, all of your weapons like your bows and your abalatls and your bolas and all of those type of things. There's also your fish and your turtles and your insects. Insects are a really good source of food because they're high in protein. Well, plants, on the other hand, they offer a different type of lifestyle, the lifestyle of the wanderer, because plants don't run away, more conservation of energy to obtain. They are something that you could live off of from any time in most parts of the country, from early spring until late fall. And then when you go into the winter, you find the other survival plant source, which is your trees. Your inner bark, your cadmium layer, was often used as a survival food source for native tribes during periods when they were either on the run from enemies or cavalry, or for some other reason had to leave their supply, their stock of food. Food is an important part. After a few days without it, you begin to get over the initial shakes and hunger, and then you can usually live off of your own body's resources until about 20 to 30 days when weakness starts to return. So during that time, you have to be able to establish yourself and begin to provide food for yourself again. So we hope that you will research this, either through our online sources or our non-member sources, or on our member site, and really get good at this skill.